Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the Beijing Olympic Stadium, which is called as well Bird Nest. It looks like a bird nest, so they call it Bird Nest Stadium. So guys, watch the video until the end and then you can as well enjoy the Bird Nest Stadium. The stadium officially opened on 28th of June 2008. It costed about 2.3 billion Chinese yen. It is the world's largest steel structure and most complex stadium ever constructed in the world. It has a capacity of 91,000 seats and it's about 13 kilometers, which is about 8 miles from Tiananmen Square. So guys, what is nice to visit Beijing Olympic Stadium is that you can go to the rooftop and see from there the Beijing city, and I highly suggest to go there in the evening so you can see the lighting of the Beijing city, which is beautiful. So guys, now we are in top of the roof of the stadium, and as you can see around us is the Beijing city. Beijing National Aquatic Center, also known as the Water Cube. It was built alongside Beijing National Stadium, which is Bird Nest, for the swimming competition of 2008 Summer Olympic. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for future videos, and I will see you very soon with another video.